Hello everyone. So today's topic is how for loop works in C or C++ language. Okay. So here we have the syntax with us. That is the first thing is like entry. Okay, so whenever you will write that for keyword, for is the keyword because in C or C++ we have if, else, switch, while, do, for. These are nothing but the keywords in C or C++ language. Okay, so if I write for, this indicates the entry. Okay, so from here we actually start. Okay, then after that for we have round bracket like this. Okay, and then we have three things inside of this round bracket. First is the initialization, then we have condition, and then we have updation. Updation means either increment or decrement. Condition means we have to check something if it is true or false. Okay, and then open the bracket, curly bracket, and then some statements are there. Okay, we can have n number of statements here and then closing bracket. So now how exactly it works, that I will tell you. So first of all for, then okay, so first of all for, okay, after that first step, that's why here number one I have written one. Okay, so first step is to check the initialization part. Okay, that is your step number one. Okay, so once you're done with that initialization, that means it is okay. Then second step, that's why it here number is what, 2. So second step is for condition. So now you have to check the condition. Okay, whatever condition you are going to write for that program or whichever program I mean, if that condition is true, then it is 2.1. Means if it is true, then you follow 2.1. If condition is false, then you follow 2.2. Okay, first I will tell you that if condition is true, for example, then true means what? 2.1 means in this direction, open the curly bracket. It means if condition is true, you go inside of this for loop. Okay, and execute all the statements written inside of this for loop. That's why your number 3 is there. Okay, we have to execute all the statements. After that, closing curly bracket indicates what? This indicates you have to come here. That is step number 4. That is the updation part. So now here you have to update your value. Either increment or decrement depends on the program. Once you're done with that updation part, okay, again you go and check the condition. That's why here number 5 is there. Again you check the condition. If condition is true, again, then same thing, 2.1, 3, and then again 4 updation, and again 5, again condition. If it is true, you have to follow these steps. Okay, but if the condition is false, okay, it means 2.2, if the condition is false, directly come out from the for loop bracket, this one, closing bracket, and execute the next statement. That means what? Statement number 3, 4, any statement, but after this closing bracket. Okay, if condition is false. So I have one very small example related to for loop only. So for example, if I write for, okay, same keywords, then initialization means what? I equal to 0. Then one condition like I less than 5. I am writing one condition. And then I plus plus. So right now I equal to 0, that is your step number 1. So initial value of I is what? 0. Okay. Then we will check the condition 0 less than 5. Obviously condition is true. It means you have to go inside the for loop. Inside the for loop we have only one statement, that is printf, and you print the value of I. So first time it will print 0. Then closing bracket means what? Updation part. Updation means what? I plus plus here. As per this example, means we are incrementing the value of I by what? 1. So now I is 1. Again we will check the condition. Okay, that is 1 less than 5. If it is true, again same thing likewise. But if it is false, then come out from this for loop. And therefore for this example, the output is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Till 4 only, because when you will have value of I as 5. Okay, so here condition is what? 5 less than 5. Obviously 5 less than 5 condition is false. That's why it will come out from that for loop. Okay, so this is nothing but the basic, like how actually for loop works with some example and syntax. Okay, so thank you all.